What is up, YouTube? How's everybody out there doing today? I hope you guys are having a fabulous freaking day, as am I. I've got my crazy fake sister here. What the hell's wrong with your car?
I don't know, dude. I don't know.
I have my crazy fake sister here. You've never met her.
No.
She's new to the channel. So you'll be not seeing her anymore because she lives in Jersey, Dirty Jersey. I call her Dirty Jersey Michelle. So she came out here because she had some issues with her car. And one of the major issues she had, oh, look at the doggy. Look at the doggy.
You're on YouTube, buddy.
Look at that. If you like dogs, comment below. Let me know. We'll put more dogs in the videos, maybe. I don't know. And maybe my cat.
Oh, yeah.
Maybe my cat, Mau Mau's, I don't know. So she had an issue with her headlights being terrible.
Terrible.
And I hooked her up with a set of last fit LEDs that you see right here, which is freaking awesome. Actually, we gotta get my thumbnail. My thumbnail, there we go, my thumbnail. So we're basically gonna put these nice LEDs in for her because everywhere she went out there in Jersey, we're like, you need this and you need that and you need everything.
Yes.
And she didn't know where to go, so she came to her trusty fake brother mechanic.
Brother from another mother.
Brother from another mother, Andy at DFR, for some last fit headlights. As you guys know, I have last fit headlights in all of my vehicles and fog lights and all kinds of other stuff, among other things. And I really, really love last fit. They've been a huge sponsor of the channel for many, many years now. Link in the description below if you're interested in a set. There is a discount code down there as well that you can use for these headlights or whatever headlights you need for your vehicle. They have many, many types. They have not only headlights, but they have fog lights, and they also have bar lights, and you know, every kind of light that you can think of, they have them. Go check them out. Like I said, link in the description below. But we're gonna put these on this Nissan piece of junk.
Not a piece of junk.
It's kind of is a little bit. So she actually came for brakes because I had to put front brake pads on the front. She needed rotors and pads on the back, and she needed a new battery. So we got all that done ahead of time before we did the headlight install. And the easy way to do this is, you guys are probably looking at this headlight like, yo, you gotta take the headlight out to do it. You really, really don't, which is actually kind of nice. And since I was already doing the brake job and all that stuff, I can just go in through here and get to the bulbs. So we're gonna show you what that looks like on this side, then we're gonna put them in. But first, you need to turn your headlights on because everybody needs to see just how hideous and ugly these headlights are.
They are.
No, they are, look at them. That's terrible.
Yeah.
That is terrible, terrible.
Right? They're really bad.
So what we're gonna do is we're gonna put the driver's side in first because she was having issues seeing. That's the problem. She was having issues seeing at nighttime. And she was getting scared. She's like, can you help me? Can you fix it? I'm like, I'm here for you.
Oh.
So we're gonna put the driver's side in first, and then we're gonna turn it back on to show you guys the difference between an LED light bulb and a stupid halogen piece of junk. My hand's like over here. Stupid halogen piece of junk headlight. So let's show you what this looks like, putting it in and all that fun stuff. See you later. Bye-bye, doggy. See you later. Look, you're flying. Looks like a roller coaster ride. Isn't that fun? You're having a great time. All right, guys, so got my little flashlight. Oh my God, I lost my flashlight. So there's two little pop rivet thingies you got to take out right there. And then basically you just open it up, and guess what? If my flashlight wasn't in the way, there's the headlight right there. You basically just untwist that thing out of there, unplug it, and you're good to go. That's what it looks like out, and there's the plug right there. And then there's the actual headlamp. And what we're gonna do now is we're gonna open up our last fit, oh my God, box with one hand, because we live on the edge, guys. We got some stickers, which is, calm down, everything's okay, doggy. So we have obviously a product manual. We have a whole bunch of last fit stickers here. And then the bee's knees products right here, guys, right there. And these literally snap right in place of the OEM lights. So let's get that installed, and then we're gonna show you what these headlights look like from the left to the right. It's gonna be pretty amazing. All right, we're letting the car down. The dog is now hiding. What's your dog's name?
Paris.
Paris?
Paris.
Oh, Terrace. Oh, there's the dog. Found the dog. Found the dog. All right. Okay, you can reach in there and turn your headlights on, right?
Oh, you already have it in?
It's in, yeah. I gotta make sure it's plugged in right. Oh yeah, look at that.
No way.
Look at that. Compared to that junk right there, look at that. Look at that, guy. It's just getting brighter. It's getting brighter as it's heating up. It's not even heating up, it's just on. That's a hell of a difference. That's a difference.
I'm excited.
Look at that.
That is a difference.
That is a big difference. We'll shut the doors and everything and turn the lights off when we have the other bulb in. That way we can show what they look like at like dark. Well, as dark as we're gonna get it in here, guys, because it's actually daylight right now. So let's get the other side in. Are you interested to see how bright the headlights are? Huh?
See?
You are? Are you interested? Yes, you are. Yes, you are. All right, I'm gonna close the doors, shut the lights off here in the shop. Don't turn your headlights on yet. I want it to be a surprise. Again, guys, what a great product that Last Fit does make. And obviously, if you're interested, link in the description below. Alrighty, let's close this door here. Get this door here closed and locked up because we won't be going out it anymore. It's not gonna be super dark in here, but it's gonna be dark enough, guys. And dark enough is all that matters. Shut this door here, the main bay door. Still a little light showing through, but not too much. You remember what your headlights looked like before, right?
Yes.
Okay, do it.
Nice.
They're definitely brighter.
They are brighter.
Now, if it's like nighttime, you would definitely see a difference if it was nighttime, but it's not nighttime. There you go, guys. The Last Fit headlights. I think these are H1s or something. What? Do you not like the headlights? I think these are, what are these? H11s. Yeah, H8, 9, and 11s is what these are for the 2015 Nissan, what is this, Sentra? Altima, Nissan Altima. Now, I told her, actually, let me open the door here so we can get some light back in the shop. Because we're going out to dinner, right?
We are.
You taking me to dinner? She's taking me to dinner. Putting headlights in her car, she's taking me to dinner. So we're going to Melting Pot. We're not going to Melting Pot. We're going to Cheesecake Factory.
Oh, we can do that.
I don't like Cheesecake Factory. That's right next to Melting Pot.
Oh.
I'm gonna make her spend all the money, guys, all the money. All right, guys, we are back. So my friend Michelle went home. She loves her headlights. They look freaking amazing. Link in the description below, guys, if you're interested in Last Fit headlights. I run a lot of their products, and they are good. I mean, they definitely make a hell of a product. I'm actually on my way over to do some other stuff right now. She left, and I went and did some other stuff, and I figured I'd do an ending to the video. But sorry I didn't get any nighttime footage of the car at nighttime. She needs to clean her headlights and stuff anyways. But obviously you guys have seen previous videos of Last Fit lights in my videos here, my past videos of the truck and other vehicles. So you guys know, Last Fit is a good brand. They make one heck of a product and a nice headlight, and she needed a set, so I got her a set. I was like, here you go, I'm gonna help you out a little bit. But other than that, guys, I'm gonna end this video. Hope you enjoyed it. If you did, give it a big thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe. Instagram, Diablo Formula Racing. And as always, guys, deuces.